I remember hearing a long time ago that someone said the reason they did not want to have Botox is that the more Botox they did, that there would be a higher risk that they would need to have even more Botox. And that's exactly the opposite of the case. The more that you do, the less you need. And so fillers are the same thing. If you Google fillers, it'll tell you that you just need fillers. Fillers will only last about 6 to 12 months and they all evaporate. And that's also false. I have seen 2 cases, one recently of someone that had some bad fillers under the eyes. It was only 1 syringe 5 years ago of restylane, and everyone told her, including several plastic surgeons, including the one that injected her, said they couldn't fix it. And I thought, what, are you kidding me? I just immediately dissolved and it was gone. Same thing with a lady that had a lip filler in her lip that was 1 syringe of Perlane, which is now called Restylane Lift, about 7 years prior, and it was still there, 1 syringe. I've seen people that years out still have fillers. My patients, many, many years, I had a lady that I was doing a surgical lip correction on, and Restylane came out, and she said, I had that 20 years ago in 1998, before it was even cleared in the United States. It was done in Europe, and it was 1 syringe 20 years prior. I had done this in 2018. So fillers really do last. They really build over time. Same with Botox. People that understand this have done Botox for a few years and realize even if they go a year without Botox, they still have fewer wrinkles than the day they started. So the concept is investment of these things. A lot of people think, I get filler burnout, I get Botox burnout, and I just want surgery. Now, I love surgery. I'm a surgeon. I do a lot of surgery. But I want to get away from that concept that, fillers just go away, that Botox just goes away. And everyone that thinks that it goes away, if I show them the photos, they'll go, wow, it really does stay. It still looks great. And I had a lady that I hadn't seen her over 2 years, and she says, oh my God, I need Botox. I have so many wrinkles. And I looked at her and she really didn't have any because she had done so many years with me. It really just stayed really clean. I had a lady that was very upset at me at 6 weeks and said, oh, all your fillers went away, Dr. Lamb. She was from Santa Fe, and I saw her walk through the door 3 months after that, and I was blown away how good she looked. I showed her the photos, and she still looked amazing. She had just forgotten what she used to look like because we look too carefully at an area and think, oh, it must have gone away, when it really hadn't gone away. So fillers and Botox are really an investment. They really do last. They start to build over time. Of course, you just do Botox once or fillers once. Okay, it may not last, quote unquote. You're going to lose some of that. It may go down far enough that you may feel as if most of it's gone. But over time, if you build it, the more you do, the less you need.